Dear students, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the biology class. We are learning unit number 21, crop production and management. Today in this video, we are going to learn a few interesting terms related to agriculture. They are rotation of crops, seed bank, seed balls, heirloom seed, and bioindicators. Now let us discuss one by one in detail. First we will see what is rotation of crops. Crop rotation means planting a series of different crops in the same field following a defined order. In crop production, two methods are followed. They are monocropping and mixed cropping. Monocropping means repeated planting of the same crop in the same field year after year. Mixed cropping means cultivation of two or more than two crops simultaneously on the same land without any pattern. A shallow-rooted grain crop, a deep-rooted cash crop, and restorative crop, that is legume crop, are included in crop rotation. Crop rotation has many advantages such as maintains soil nutrients, maintains soil productivity, and also reduces the problem of weed. In crop rotation, the leguminous crops should follow non-leguminous crops to have atmospheric nitrogen to succeeding crops. This leads to greater production overall. The next one is the seed bank. Seed bank is a place where seeds are stored in order to preserve genetic diversity. Seeds may be viable for hundreds and even thousands of years. Seed banks are like seed libraries that contain valuable information about evolution strategies of plants. The Royal Botanical Gardens, located in Kolkata, first started collecting seeds formerly as seed bank. Seed banks were created to store native varieties of seeds and reducing the dependence on hybrid seeds. The simple and healthiest method of seed storage is in the airtight earthen pots. Navadanya Seed Bank, a non-governmental organization located in New Delhi, conserve around 50,000 crop varieties to preserve grain species. Now let us see what are seed balls. Seed balls are a mixture of soil, compost, and plant seeds. These balls are thrown into land areas with the monsoon set in, and these planted seed balls will germinate into seedlings. The concept of seed ball has potential to increase tree cover and also to improve the awareness among the people about conserving plants. The next heading is the heirloom seed. What is a heirloom seed? An heirloom seed is a seed of plant that has been carefully cultivated and passed down through many generations. Heirloom seeds are usually planted in small, isolated communities. Heirloom seeds are also called as organic seeds. The goal of preserving heirloom seed is to prevent any type of change due to outside influence such as pollution, cross-pollination, etc. The next term is the bioindicators. A bioindicator or biological indicator is any species or group of species whose function or status reveals the qualitative status of the environment. In simple words, any change in certain plants gives information about changes in the environment. Lichen is a natural bioindicator of climate change and air pollution. It is a combination of an alga and a fungus which live together in symbiotic association. Lichen is a sensitive environmental parameter like temperature, humidity, wind, and air pollutants. It gives information about changes in climate, air quality, and biological process. Today, till now, we learnt about crop rotation, seed bank, seed ball, heirloom seeds, and bioindicators. Meet you again in the next class. Until then, take care. Thank you.